Welcome back to my channel, Vehicle Buzz. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of the 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EV, a car that continues to push the boundaries of affordable electric mobility. Chevy has taken a bold step forward with the latest iteration of the Bolt EV, refining its design, enhancing its features, and improving its performance to compete with the growing EV market. Let's take a closer look at what this impressive electric hatchback has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Bolt EV boasts a sleek, modern design that blends aerodynamics with a futuristic aesthetic. Chevrolet has made subtle yet impactful changes to its bodywork, including a more sculpted front fascia with a redefined grille-less look, as expected from an all-electric vehicle. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, giving it a sharper road presence. The daytime running lights integrate seamlessly into the front design, enhancing its sophisticated appearance. Moving to the sides, the car maintains its compact yet practical stance with a slightly longer wheelbase that improves stability. The bold character lines and newly designed alloy wheels add to the sporty appeal. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights provide a fresh, contemporary look, while the roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics and efficiency. Chevy has also introduced new color options, allowing buyers to personalize their Bolt EV to match their style. Stepping inside, the 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EV offers a well-thought-out and modernized interior that improves both comfort and functionality. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the enhanced material quality, with soft touch surfaces and premium stitching replacing the previous model's hard plastic. The spacious cabin remains one of the Bolt EV's strong points, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for daily commuting and long drives alike. The updated infotainment system features a large, high-resolution touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. The new digital instrument cluster offers crisp graphics and provides real-time information about range, battery usage, and driving efficiency. Chevy has also improved the seating with better cushioning and support, ensuring comfort even on extended trips. Practical storage options remain a highlight, with a generous cargo area and versatile folding rear seats to accommodate larger items. The ambient lighting and redesigned center console add a more premium feel to the cabin, while features like wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure passengers stay connected on the go. The Bolt EV's user-friendly controls, intuitive layout, and enhanced driver assistance technologies make for a stress-free driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EV delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency. The updated powertrain includes an advanced electric motor that produces around 200 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of instant torque, providing a smooth and responsive acceleration. The Bolt EV continues to feature front-wheel drive, ensuring a stable and predictable driving experience. One of the biggest improvements is the enhanced battery technology, now offering an estimated range of up to 275 miles on a full charge, making it more practical for daily use and road trips. Charging options remain convenient, with DC fast charging capabilities allowing drivers to regain up to 100 miles of range in about 30 minutes. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the regenerative braking system, giving drivers more control over energy recapture and improving efficiency. The one-pedal driving mode enhances convenience, especially in city traffic, by allowing the driver to accelerate and decelerate using only the accelerator pedal. Handling has also been refined with improved suspension tuning that results in a smoother ride while maintaining agility on the road. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Bolt EV offers a composed and enjoyable driving experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. Chevrolet has managed to keep the Bolt EV competitively priced despite the improvements. The base model starts at around $32,000, making it one of the most affordable long-range electric vehicles on the market. Higher trims with additional features such as an upgraded sound system, a sunroof, and enhanced driver assistance technologies can push the price closer to $38,000. However, with available federal and state incentives, buyers can significantly reduce the overall cost, making the Bolt EV an even more attractive option for those looking to switch to electric. Chevy has positioned the Bolt EV as a practical and budget-friendly alternative to more expensive electric cars, while still delivering excellent range, performance, and technology. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EV continues to solidify its reputation as an excellent choice for anyone seeking an affordable, efficient, and feature-packed electric vehicle. With its refreshed design, improved interior, solid performance, and competitive pricing, it's a well-rounded package that caters to both first-time EV buyers and experienced electric car enthusiasts. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Chevy Bolt EV? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Buzz for more in-depth car reviews and automotive insights. See you in the next video.